Okay, time to pull my garlic and see what I got. Everybody else is pulling theirs, and theirs are a lot greener than mine. So, let's see what's going on. It's going to be a lot of fun, because the minute I move this fence, I'm going to have chickens in here. I know it. They're not even letting me get the fence moved. Sheesh. Yeah, I know there's a lot of nummies in there. I'll let you clean them out for me. And this is the container part of an earth box. None of the rest of it's there. Somebody gave it to me and they have no idea where the rest of it is. The mat and the tubes or whatever they are. Yeah, well, let's get to digging. Oh, Mom moved the container. What kind of goodies are underneath? We'll find something. Okay. Pull out the weeds first. Now, the China garlic was across the back, and it promptly died. So a month after planting this, I replanted California garlic across the back. I saw no point in wasting all this nice little garden space because of bad garlic. Not one of the shallots came up. I wonder if they treated them with something, because they just rotted. Ah, did you try to? Oh, I got one shallot. 1.5. Okay, let's get the little trowel out and see what's going on here. Now, these are the California ones. Nothing to write home about, I'll tell you that much. Now, these have been in since December. Oh, that's a little better. I'm disappointed. These have been in since January. Well, it's better than the itty bitties. But they didn't bury themselves deeper. Don't know what happened that one year. Last year? Not too shabby. Had to get me through a while. Get me through for a while. Some surprisingly small ones. Nothing huge. But definitely can use them. And it looks like I actually got one shallot. Why are you not focusing? Focus, focus, focus. Well, if nothing else, the girls are having fun. I'm missing Cinderella. Where is Cinderella? And I need to go back there and close that off, because that little brat, Frances, snuck through there the other day and ended up in my neighbor's yard. I thought something killed her until she started talking at bedtime when I'm looking for her. Yep, chicken fun. I did pull one out of here. This was all California garlic, and it was quite deep. And when I planted them on the surface. Just a little white head was sticking up. Oops, I think it's dry. I did it again. I either overwater them or underwater them. Switch hands. Yep, that's really dry. That's my normal. Oops, I hear roots. Now this was all California garlic. Well, that isn't too deep. That's not too bad. Ooh, it split off into 3. That's nice. Yeah, they didn't go real deep this time. That's a little moist. That is a good size garlic. There's at least a half a dozen cloves in there that are really usable. Half of it rotted out. Well, I think that's pretty good. But I don't remember planting those 3 that close together. But they weren't nearly as deep as they were in the past. They went all the way to the bottom of that container. I think that's pretty good. At least that'd get me through a few months of fresh garlic. Now this is the garlic that I dumped down there, all the little pieces that I hadn't planted. And I'm guessing that this is a California garlic. Aren't they huge? I did eat one and it is very tasty. But I pulled these a couple of weeks ago. Now I would say that's a pretty good harvest. They're kind of small compared to the store. That's a good size one. And this is the originals. So they're about half the size. And these are the ones from California. The China ones didn't make it at all. And I noticed in this batch, there's a hardneck. I don't think I'm supposed to be able to grow hardneck in zone 10B. Not another hardneck? Could be. So that's a 2022 garlic harvest. Planted on the shortest day. Didn't quite make it to the longest day. Am I 10 days short? 9 days short? I don't think that makes that big of a difference. But there we go, my harvest. I'll let them dry out a little bit and not leave them out here in the sun. Put them in the garage where they can dry safely and quietly.